Oh god, I'm recording. Hello everybody. As promised, we're gonna react to Zeboyd 1 Phenomenon. So let's get into it. Credits to Doctor. Now here we'll be watching the oddity and the Boy 1 Phenomenon. Make sure you have the following in vicinity. The earplugs don't have that. A pencil, okay. A sheet of paper, have that. A standard Christian Bible. Open the Psalms 91 to 10, okay. No harm will overtake you. No disaster will come near your tent. Okay. If something unusual begins speaking in tones, take a to the naked's ears, turn down. Oh my god, what the heck was that? Flashing red, hold on. I gotta see what that flasher red was. Oh. This hurts my ears. Okay, turn to your pencil and paper. Alright. Write the following on the page. I can't see this paper. I can't see this paper. I have no hand. I can hear the laughter of thousands. I can hear the feast. I cannot move, nor do I want to. What? I can see this paper. I can see my hand. Okay, I'm gonna write that down real quick. Okay, done. Alright, I've done that. After these words are written, recite Psalms 91:10. Aloud, if memories and imagery of something unholy press in your mind, pray. It's all you can do. No evil shall befall you, and no plague, nor shall any plague come near your dwelling. Amen. Alright. In the event you are required to carry out these procedures, contact authorities immediately afterwards. You'll be administered anesthetics. Many appear to lead a normal life afterwards. Many people lead a normal life afterwards. The Boy 1 Phenomenon. August 13th, 2003, The Tree of Heaven. Or Haven. Okay, whatever. It's not a Bible study. In the late 1990s, a now classified documentary based on the television program would debut from a local station in Pennsylvania. The program revolved around woodlands and plants and animals and was primarily directed towards children. Okay. At the start of the show, a narrator would talk about the wonders of nature and the dangers of it, and how to appreciate it, and most importantly, how to protect yourself from it. Yay! This is not scary so far. Then something odd happened. On August 13th, 2003, the 13th episode of the series began a reground. My god, I can't read! Began a reground seemingly out of nowhere. What? The following audio depicts the beginning and settlements of the episode. Video.
Good morning, Bushwhackers. Today we're venturing into the heart of the forest to find a plant that's as beautiful as it is deceptive. poison oak. We all know about it, and here in Pennsylvania, it's not as common, but still something to look out for. And here on we aim to uncover all the wonderful secrets that nature has to offer, no matter how minuscule or gigantic. So let's get going, shall we? Found primarily in deep North American woodlands, poison oak has many different names and places of origin, also referred to as the tree of heaven. Imagine that? In China and Taiwan, one of these invasive species made its way to America in the 1700s and took its ground here boldly. As many of us know, it's infamous.
Well, during one of the introduced systems, an anomalous broadcast would hijack the system. This broadcast depicted videos of a red melted face. Jeez! This face and its properties will be hereby referred to as FEN228. As FEN228 spoke, clips of footage and even live camera feed monitoring hospitals and bedrooms. Jeez! Oh my gosh. What? The following clips is restored recording of the ominous broadcast. The duration of the clip has been shortened and the audio has been muffled and dampened. These are insert my earplugs. I don't have earplugs. I don't. Oh gosh, what the heck is that? What the heck is that? Oh god, he's gone. Oh god, he's back. Okay. Oh god, he's entering my room. Okay, oh god, he's watching over me. Hi, this broadcast will be hereby referred to as Broadcast 813. Broadcast 813 was viewed by roughly... You can read that in your own time. Many viewers reported not being able to keep the image of FEN228's face out of their minds, even continue to hear their voice days after viewing Jesus Christ. Monotonous faces in his brain, feet on his spine, and the trumpets playing in None of these people thought this was only the beginning of a whole new species of suffering that they would never understood. August 14th, the Great Northeast Blackout of 2003. That's a real event. I'm just learning how to flip my pencil. But the damage has already been done. Aftermath. After 12 days after Broadcast 813 was blocked from the air, oh gosh, that sucks. If I could read better. One thing in common with all these cases is the patients have been home watching TV the night that Broadcast 813 was airing. He's coming down the TV! Though the victims of this outbreak were unable to speak, they were able to communicate through Morse code by blinking. More than 60 victims were interviewed. Many of these interviews had unveiling results that often led to more questions, and many others had results that required termination. Fairly late into the investigation, the Ephrata branch was notified of an odd case revolving one of the Job Santorini feature records. Okay, Santorini was an war veteran and flew in Morse code, putting him on the mark as interviews as soon as the outbreak was put under brigade ban. After a very odd photo was taken in his backyard by his visiting grandson, this led him to hope. Contacted a local priest. The following photo, the photo exists, has proved to be non-hazardous and safe to view, but still anomalous in nature for most comfortable viewing. Wear with blue light glasses or with your view at a distance. Oh my gosh. What pose is that? Is this guy striking? And also put him in the NBA. That's okay, now it's turned backwards. Deprecating claims something horrible and unholy was with him and it would hurt him and possibly other if you described him what it was telling him. This is a precisely arched recording of I'm not reading that.
Hello, Mr. I'm Officer Gomez. Hope you're doing well today. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions regarding your condition and possibly unholiness within your home that your family had mentioned? Okay, first and foremost, did you notice any onset symptoms before you lost complete mobility of your body?
Okay, well, I don't think there's any more. I don't know where she got it.
What?
I said, I don't know where she got that
What?
paper towel.
Okay.
If you are home, I can come get those clothes now.
Karen flushes her braids out down a random plane. Yay. There was a face.
When did you begin seeing this face? Interesting. Many of the people who have seen the broadcast that you saw on August the 13th described having vivid and upsetting hallucinations. Do you think this is something your brain has created?
What? Well, if this is something that what the? Okay. Well.
Turner, I'm just going to run to another house in the neighborhood to pick up something. You want to come with me or you want to stay here with Papa?
I'll stay here with Mr. Popster.
Okay. On my way. I'm gonna run get something from Tanya. I'll be right back.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Turner's staying here with the pop.
Okay. Hey, tell her I ate those steaks while you were gone.
You ate what?
Tell her I ate that steak while you were gone.
What steak?
She called me. I told you I ran into her in Kroger,
Yeah?
and she saw steak in my basket and concluded that this is why you were gone on the trip, and concluded that the mice will weigh the cats weigh.
Ah. Okay.
No, it's in the window.
Can you please describe this face to me? I still don't see it. Have you been having any hallucination aside from the face?
Love you too.
I'm sorry to hear that. Are these screams constant?
Oh, what the?
Thank you. I'm sorry to hear that.
Hold on. Okay, I saw a flash of red Morse code. What the heck does that mean? What the? Okay.
Thank
Oh. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay. This is too hard.
Constant. You light on. Have you been having any hallucination aside from the face?
Okay, I'm spending way too much time trying to find it.
I'm sorry to hear that. Are these screams constant?
We don't know.
Thank you. Thank
Am I spending too much time on this? There it is. Okay. Dash dot dash 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 dot. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna write that down on my sheet of paper because that's what people do. Right? No. Okay. Dash dot dash 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 dot 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 dash 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 dot dot dash okay. Okay, dash dot 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 dash 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 dot. Oh gosh, this is long. What's going on with her? Dot dash. You know what? I'll just take an image of it and search up what it means later. Since I'm too lazy. Ooh. Perfect. Okay, now that I copied the Morse code, I'm just gonna go back.
Thank you. You shedding light on this is helping more than you.
He's in the window! He's in the window! Wonderful day, the miracle of birth, a fetal fanfare. I'm afraid of the one and only Watanabe bird. What?
Listen closely.
Listening.
Do you hear it?
No.
You will hear the laughter of thousands as the sky opens up.
What the?
You will hear the trumpets play their happy sounds. The scalding blood of life will pour down onto us all. Together, we will be still. Together, a feast fit for a king. Together, welded by love and purest connection. Be still. And listen.